Hello everyone and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 430D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in black sapphire metallic. Alongside being presented in the very nice black sapphire, we've also added the Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit to the car. The exterior is further enhanced by the 19-inch 704M alloys that are in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Sitting behind the alloys you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this car being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package. The car itself is a 2018 68 reg, has got the facelift of course, so we get facelifted LED headlamps, and I'll point out the remaining facelift items as we go around the car and shortly take a seat inside. Down the side we've got the gloss black air breathers. You'll see again, thanks to the Plus pack, we've got the very nice sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and we'll shortly now move on to give you a glance at the interior, where we've got the black Dakota leather on this car, which comes with both the heated and electric movement and memory for driver's side. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've got Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there, which again really is a very nice optional extra, which works very nicely for your interior experience. Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest. We also get the darkened M Sport headlining of course. And moving round shortly towards the rear of the car, again showing you just how clean and tidy all of the alloys are on this car. At the back we've got a satin rear boot spoiler and high gloss rear diffuser, and of course the sharpened LED rear facelift lights. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, and you can further enhance this already very large space by removing both top and bottom partial shelves and also split folding seats. Round onto the driver's side of the car, you'll again see this is a very clean and tidy example, and of course everything works very nicely with the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, and the black sapphire metallic really is a very nice colour. And again you'll be able to see that these alloys are all unmarked, and we'll head down inside the car now just to run yourselves through a couple of the major features and functions of that lovely interior that we have. Starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen, you currently see there we've got the navigation open. This uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on that fastest route possible. Heading back to the main menu again, thanks to the facelift we've got the newer iDrive system, which also makes things that little bit more user-friendly thanks to being separated into little custom sub-menus. We've got Connected Drive Plus, keeping us connected using Google. So you get online search, news and weather apps, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, this uses its own onboard 4G network, so there's no data used from your own mobile devices should you choose to have one connected. Going over in terms of your mobile connectivity, we've got telephone, Bluetooth audio and other apps can be utilised within that screen as well. Your multimedia, you've got DAB, music collection, USB and AUX inputs also, and down here we find our dual climate controls, also where you'll find the switches for these lovely front heated seats. This 430D that we're currently sat in has covered just over 31,000 miles, as you can see there. Again, so it's a nice low mileage example, and we'll go on now and take a look at the service history for the car. And as you can see, it's got full BMW service history, which is of course always a great peace of mind when looking at any vehicle. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video for another fantastic example of a beautiful Gran Coupe. And this one is of course the 430D M Sport Gran Coupe that has got the M Sport Plus pack alongside our fantastic Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Once again, we'd like to thank you very much for taking the time to view our advert and alongside watching this video, but most of all, we'd really like to see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care, thank you very much and goodbye.